Hi there, students. To blather, and I guess you could have a noun as well, blather, but it would be uncountable. So to blather is to talk on and on about absolute nonsense, to talk about silly stuff. Stop blathering, yeah? Just tell me what it is in words of one syllable. Yeah, what on earth are you blathering about? You can also actually use the verb to blether as well. What are you blethering about? To babble, to go on, to be really long-winded and not to make any sense. So he spent all afternoon blathering about his plans to rule the world. Yeah, so lengthy, foolish talk, particularly to blather on about something. Yeah, he's always blathering on about his pigeons. Yeah, he's talking about something that you consider boring and unimportant. Yeah, they were blathering on and on. Yeah, he was always blathering about what a pain his neighbour was, to ramble. Yeah, so very often when I listen to the Parliament, it sounds like they're blathering. Yeah, they're talking nonsense. Yeah, they're talking rapidly without making much sense. Notice if you use this verb to blather, you're being critical, you're being derogatory, you're saying this doesn't make any sense and it's boring and ridiculous, it's just totally nonsensical. Yeah, enough of your blather. Yeah, just do it. I don't want to hear excuses. I don't want you to hear you blathering on with excuses. Just get down to it and do it. Yeah, he's such a blatherer. Yeah, he just talks rubbish. Yeah, okay, so blathering on about his problems. Yeah, rambling, mumbling, waffling. Yeah, but notice blather is fairly critical. If you're saying somebody's blathering, yeah, they're making lots of noise and using lots of words, but it doesn't really make much sense. He was so shocked at what had happened that he could only blather. There's actually another nice little word related to this, a blatherskate or a bletherskate, which actually comes from a blatherskite, which is shite, a blathershite, meaning shit. And a blatherskite is or a blatherskate, somebody who's just contemptible. Yeah, they're always just talking rubbish. Yeah, he's always blathering on about how we've got to obey the rules. Yeah, please just stop blathering. You're giving me a headache. Yeah, just say something sensible. Say something that actually means something and has reasonable content to it. Yeah, he was blathering away for hours about things that just were ridiculous. Yeah, so the speech that he gave was just full of blather. It just didn't make sense. It was just absolutely ridiculous. He was blathering on about psychology, psychobabble, as you might call it. Okay, so the two men were arguing about nothing. They were blathering on. Yeah, or the blather in the House of Lords, the blather at a committee meeting. Okay, formality. This is an informal word. I think I'd probably give it a 4, maybe 3.5 in formality. Use it informally, use it in a semi-formal conversation, just about, but certainly no more. And then as to origin, it originally came from Scottish and then from the Old Norse word Blather, meaning nonsense talk, to talk nonsense, from Old Norse blather, nonsense. Okay, so I better stop blathering and leave you to do your own thing. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Blather.